YOSOON laser welding machine. Instructions of using. YOSOON laser welding machine wiring is clean and neat and safe. Correct steps after receiving the machine. Ventilate it in a cool place. Second, fill the chiller with the distilled water to the green line. Third, connect the exhaust pipe to the gas bottle and tighten it. Fourth, install the smuggling device on the wire feeder to the welding head and tighten the nut. Fifth, connect the wire of the wire feeder to the circuit. After wiring, then debug the equipment parameter. First, switch on the chiller. Second, switch on the laser source. Third, turn on the main switch. Fourth, click Settings to turn on automatic shutter. Fifth, click the first line, Laser CUR, to adjust the power into 500 wattage to 2000 wattage. Sixth, click Settings to turn on the wire feeding function and adjust the wire speed in the first line from 30 to 50. Seventh, click Settings to turn the Pro Swing on. Eighth, set the swing speed on the first line from 30 to 50. Please wear protective glasses for safe operation. Off sequence. First, switch off the laser source. Second, switch off the chiller. Third, switch off the main power button.